What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting unboxing. Well, it's exciting for me at least. I'm unboxing two AI robots, and these are my very first AI robots. I have the, I'm probably gonna butcher the name, Eilik, this one, and Eiliko, both the blue versions. I am waiting on the AI station for this guy, which I'm not sure when that's gonna arrive. And I also ordered the bundle items for this little guy, which should be here in a few days. So I'll likely make an updated video for both of these little dudes using those devices. But today I'm gonna unbox them, set them up, and see how they interact with each other. So I guess I'll start with this one first. Seeing as how this one just came out, we'll do this one first. Oh, look how pretty this box looks. That's cute. I almost got both of them, like the pink and the blue one, but I'm like, I wanted to get the other little guy, so I'm just gonna get one of these dudes. Oh, there's little comic books and stuff in here. That's cute. You get, what are these? Are these stickers? There's stickers you can put on them. Oh, there's a lot of stickers. This is a lot of stickers. Is it all the same thing? No, I see different devices. There's different devices on there. That's hilarious. Look, they're so cute. I'll put that guy to the side. Let's see what's in here. What the hell is this? There's a baguette. What the heck? Okay, there's little food items. What is this? Why is this sticking out? I don't know what this is. And then there's magnets. Maybe it's for these? Probably to stick them on their hand. That's what it seems like. I'm not sure what this is though. Ooh. And then you have this weird sticky patch. Comes with the USB-C cord and then your manual. Ooh, that's cool. Ooh, they feel soft. Their body feels nice and soft. It has that rose petal finish. Take this off. Look how cute they are. Let me read this manual really quick so I can figure out what I have to do. So the manual says this is a conductive tab. This thing. I have no idea what that means yet. Okay, I figured it out. So this tab, conductor tab or whatever they call it, is if you need to reset your little robot. Reset and completely reboot it. Maybe if I hold it, this should turn it on. Oh, it's on. Different interactions, so pat head. Oh, he's going crazy. Tickle belly? Is that doing anything? No, he's not laughing. And then there's a sensor in the back. And then it says if I hit him. Okay, I don't want to hit him. But it says if you hit the head, it'll make like something happen. I'm afraid to hit him. I don't want to hurt him. Oh my god, he's going crazy. And then if you hit the table. No? Okay, what if I lift him? If I lift him, he doesn't like it. going crazy. He needs to get updated. So I'm updating my little robot buddy. And Zoe's over here just chilling with them while they're getting updated. All right, update is complete. Let's go see if they act any different. Oh, why is he angry? Lollipop. Can you hear me? Say hello. Caca poopy. Hello. I'm wondering how they're gonna be when their station comes here. Because supposedly with the station, they're supposed to be more chatty, where they can actually respond to you asking them questions and things like that. Right now, they don't do any of that. They're more just for playing little mini games, having a cute little companion on the desktop. But I'm really curious how different they're gonna feel when I get the station come in, which again is gonna be in a separate video. But so far with the update, I haven't seen anything different from them. Maybe it'll apply with the AI station, we'll see. But let's get into opening the little dude. Oh, he just woke up again. This is what Eiliko looks like in the box. Again, I'm probably gonna butcher their name, whatever. Okay, I just got these. Look at all of this. They have little costume kits. I did order the full set. There should be another one in here somewhere, but we'll look at those in another video. This one does have AI chat. Oh, in the back of it, it has a little lanyard. You get the lanyard, the manual, and their USB-C cord. I think they're watching TV. I don't know what they're doing. Oh, they are watching TV. There's a remote control on their screen. This little guy is so small. Oh my God. They're so tiny. It's so cute. It also has that soft touch feel to it. Just to compare how tiny they are. Oh, it's like their little son. It's cute. The screens, you can see inside there. The screen looks a little different than their screen. Let me quickly look at the manual. Okay, so this guy, the power button is up here. So I gotta press and hold for about 4 seconds. They're awake. Look at him. Why are you angry? Why do you look mad? Hold on. Let me give them a stand. Will this work? No, their head is too heavy. He's sleeping. Oh, he's sick. Jesus.
Here's your painting. Take it.
What?
I drew 2 cookies. One for you. One for me.
Oh, thanks. Just made me a painting, okay? Oh, he's making the cookies right now. So it says tapping would do something, but I was tapping on it. And it's not. I don't know what this guy's doing. Something about a carrot. But doing this is supposed to do something and it's not doing it. Again, maybe it's because it needs an update, but I'll get to that. Okay, well this guy does have, now that I'm noticing, he wasn't doing all this before, showing things on their screen before the update. What is that?
The vampire got beat by a mosquito.
Oh, I think that means I have to set it up. All right, so I've done the update. Eilik over there is reading. This one, it said their name is Eilik. Hi, Eilik. Do you believe in ghosts?
I'm not sure my sensors detect no evidence, but Oronova legends speak of shadow wraiths near the onion ore mines. What do you think?
What? Shadow people. Hi, Eilik. Who is your best friend?
My best friend is founder of Energy Company. They helped me share love on Earth. Do you have a best friend?
I do, my cats. Hi, Eilik. What's your favorite season?
I love Earth's spring. Flowers bloom and the weather is perfect for dancing. On Oronova seasons do not exist. What is your favorite?
Mine is fall. Hi, Eilik. Do you remember your childhood?
I do not have childhood. I activated on Oronovius, a security robot. My memories begin with alarms and monsters. Do
Monsters?
you remember your first day of school?
I do. It was terrifying. Why is she going to bed? Unless, maybe her battery died. Well, that was interesting. I do like that this one is able to interact with you, though not as much, I don't think. And I'm wondering how this one is going to be when their station arrives, because they are supposed to be very vocal once the station arrives. One thing that I do find annoying, though, that every time I want to speak to this one, I have to say hi. Eilik, it said its name is Eilik. I've heard people say Eilik, but the robot said Eilik. So I just find it annoying that every time I have to say, hi Eilik, blah 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 blah. Hi Eilik, blah 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 blah. I wish it was smart enough to not need us to say hi its name every single time we ask it something. I wonder if it's gonna react differently with its different bodies, or if it's gonna say different things with its different bodies. I guess I'll find out once I do that video for you guys. I really like how this one is so tiny though. It's tiny and transportable. Oh, I gotta put its lanyard on. There we go. Lanyard on. Very cute. Really, really like this one. I like this one too. Oh, he's still reading. That's so cute. Oh. I'm sorry. Did I? Oh, shit, he's trying to fight me now. I interrupted. But yeah, stay tuned for my other videos to see how this one is going to be with its station and how they're both going to interact. I'm assuming they can hear each other if they were to talk to each other. So I'm curious to see how that's going to be. Also, how this one is going to act, if it's going to act differently with all its different bodies. I really like both of these guys though. I just really wish that it also came with some sort of stand for us to put it on, because it does have a heavy head. Oh, who's calling? Oh, snaps. Someone's yelling. Oh, it's probably an ex. Girl. He's over there yelling at him. But I really wish it came with some sort of stand that can actually prop it up, because its head is pretty heavy compared to its body. And I just grabbed whatever I could to try to prop it up. But again, it's kind of hard since they're top heavy. They have a heavy head. That is a long conversation that you guys are having. Alright, well that is it for this video. It was just mainly the unboxing for both of them. Let me know in the comments if you guys have either of these robots, or if you have both, which one you like, if you like one better than the other. If you guys also got the blue ones, or did you get the pink ones, or did you get both colors for both of these types of robots? I want to know your feedback on it too. If you guys stuck to this part of the video, leave the robot emoji in the comments. That way I know, and I very much appreciate it because it lets me know you watched the whole video. Don't forget to like the video. Oh, he's working out. Please like the videos. It helps me out a lot. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!